part 2. Don't worry, they're on their way. How long will they be here, Thomas and friends? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe like soon? Do you hear that noise? No. What? It's someone. Look. Yay, it's them. We've been waiting here for a long time. Hi, where to fix? They got you. Oh, okay. Can you explain what happened, Dr. Train? For a second, my wheels came off because they weren't holding right. Oh my! Don't worry. We have many wheels here. Okay, but put them correctly. I don't want my wheels to fall off again. Okay. Okay, no, and... What the heck is that? Oh, that's a rope. Let me take it away. How about this to fill up your tires? My tires are already filled. Okay, never mind, I'll put them correctly. Yes, but put them correctly or else. Or else what? Or else we'll be late forever. Don't worry, I'll put them back on. Hurry! Where was it supposed to be? Oh, I can't figure it out. Here. There. And... God! Gingerbread, be careful. Dude, be careful. I'm trying. Here, I put them correctly. Okay, I'll put them correctly either. Gosh, there are many damages here. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Okay, that one. I put them correctly. This doesn't look right. Let me fix it. It's all done. Dr. Train, how are you? Thank you guys so much. No problem. Unfortunately, we gotta go. We need to do jobs to do, and we need to go fix. It's okay. It's okay. See you soon. See you soon, either. Did you fix the wheels correctly? I did. Let's go then. Wait for me. Okay, let's get going. Teacher, you good? I hear Cartoon Cat in my brain. It's just your mind. Let's go then. Alright, let's blow the whistle again. Teacher, why does the whistle sound different? It sounded like in the first place. It sounds like that in the first place. I changed it because the old ones were thrown away. Let's go. Thank God it's fixed. Yeah, the wheels are fixed. I hear they fixed it. But why the whistle sound different? Because he changed it, I hear. I know. Anyways, we have a fun place from now on. Let's go. Let's go to the party. Yeah, we have some fun day. Hooray! Yeah, the train's driving. I know, Thomas and friends. We could have helped you, right? Yeah.